With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In response to a question, a student stated that in an atom, the number of protons is greater than the number of neutrons, which in turn is greater than the number of electrons. Do you agree with the statement? Justify your answer. So, according to the student who just answered a question, that particular student said that the number of protons is greater than the number of neutrons, which in turn is greater than the number of electrons. This was the conclusion made by the student, which is completely incorrect. Which is completely incorrect because the number of protons can never be greater than the number of neutrons, right? The number of neutrons are either equal to or greater than the number of protons, right? Now, why does this happen? Because if we talk about the mass number of an atom, it is either greater than or equal to twice the atomic number, right? Mass number is either greater than or equal to twice the atomic number, okay? And if we talk about the number of protons is actually equal to the atomic number. And for a neutral atom means not a charged atom, not an ion, but a neutral atom which does not have any charge. For a neutral atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, okay? So number of neutrons are actually greater than the number of protons and electrons as well, right? Number of neutrons can be greater than the number of protons and electrons both, because for a neutral atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, but the number of neutrons can never be less than the number of protons or electrons. They are always greater because the mass number, which is actually the number of neutrons plus protons, is always greater than or equal to twice the atomic number, and atomic number is equal to the number of protons, right? That is why the mass number, or you can say the number of neutrons, is greater than the number of protons. While for a neutral atom, the number of protons and number of electrons are also similar, but the number of electrons can change depending upon the ion formation, right? If a cation is formed, then the number of electrons is less than the protons. If an anion is formed, then the number of electrons can be greater than the number of protons, but the number of protons are always equal to the atomic number, right? So that is why the order which was given by the student is completely incorrect. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.